Let's go pin trade. We should have gotten matching shirts for this vacation. Do you have a cry put? That would have been cute. Feels nice to be home. Okay, there are maps here, but you won't need one because I'm basically like a walking map, but if you want one for like souvenir purposes, yeah, we could. Aren't you glad we woke up at 5 in the morning to rope drop and missed all the crowds? Happiest place on earth. We won't be needing this. When I'm rich, this is how I'm decorating my whole house. Just very classy. These statues mark that they used to sell tobacco at this store. Did you know they use forced perspective on the buildings in Main Street so that they look taller than they actually are? But the second floors are shorter, so they look taller when you're walking through. I wonder if that means if I wore a shorter top and longer pants, if I'd also look taller. Maybe. Ooh, let's pin trade. Never mind, all scrappers.
You're not going to Disneyland today.
Winnie the Pooh's 40 minutes. We'll try again after nap time. Nap time is when all the kids leave the parks, go back to their hotels, and hopefully Winnie the Pooh will be 5 minutes again. Wait a second, I know this choreo. Hold my camera. That was my Eras tour. How many steps do you think we'll get today? If we don't get over 10,000, I think we're doing it wrong. 45 minutes? Let's wait till nap time. Make sure to stay hydrated because we're gonna be here until midnight. See a pin I like. Don't you just love the smell of whateva in the morning? And those sweet exhaust fumes. Here we are driving. It's really nice. There's no traffic out today, unlike our drive to the park this morning. Woo! There used to be a midget whateva, which wasn't for, well, it was for kids, and it was really small, and you would just leave your anyone under 3 in there, and they could drive around in tinier cars. But it's pretty clear why that didn't last very long. If the car gets stuck, you just have to jam on the pedal hard twice. Then you'll get out of your rut. Let's race them. Maybe not. Well, with gas prices so high, I mean, I guess maybe we're skimping on the Phillips. Ooh-wee. There is that smelly smell. They also have good smells that pump out so you buy more stuff like fried chicken and churros. Sometimes you just get a whiff of it. I love pin trading, but we can't pin trade here. We can't condone this type of behavior, so my backpack is actually full of snacks, so it's actually a snack pack. If you want anything, I have 6 banh mi's in here. Do you think it's enough snacks for now, or should I bring out the banh mi's? I also have onigiri rice balls. We'll do those later. There's Jafar. We're seeing him from afar. Don't you just love it here? It's like therapy, but more effective. Although not as cost effective. Although maybe it is. Maybe it is less. Ooh, there is that smelly kind of smell. Hey y'all, thanks for watching that absolute dumpster fire of a video. If you even slightly enjoyed that, please let me know in the comments below. I like making videos about things that I like. So yeah, like and subscribe, and we're gearing up for Halloween here in the States. Obviously, I'm looking more like Emperor Palpatine right now, and in true Emperor Palpatine fashion. You know what to do with that subscribe button. Hit it. Do it. See you later.